I quit my job, bought a one-way ticket to Southeast Asia, and left with $10,000 as my budget. This is episode 23, day 72 through 75, and $3,253 left. After 3 adventure-filled days in Vang Vieng, the crew and I got our things in order and hopped on a bullet train to take us down to Vientiane, which is the capital city of Laos. I only stayed for one night and spent the full day doing life things like laundry and getting a haircut, which I'll make a separate video about. I want to take one quick second to highlight this girl right here. We pulled up to get our laundry done, and she seemed to just be a tourist there chilling, having beers with the lovely folks sitting outside the laundry place. These are things I dream of doing when fantasizing about my travels. She's living the dream. We got on an overnight bus with the plan to take us to Pakse, then to transfer to the pier to take a boat to Don Det, which is a part of the 4,000 islands of Laos. 30 minutes into the ride, the bus broke down and took an hour or two to start back up again. Then broke down a second time in the morning, ultimately making us miss the last boat, meaning we were spending the night in Pakse. So we found a place to eat and to just gather ourselves for a bit and to find accommodation, which we ended up finding just a few doors down. These 4 days cost me $141, bringing my overall total to $6,887 spent.
Baby, I love you way every day. I wish it was that long.